and hit up, and so you're right. And I think an Sakra. Anna a lawyer and the appear could be former member of parliament for Santi Achim North Agogo. A confirm me as a BRYAN ACHEAMPONG. Now no be contested for the MPP flagship race. And I mean in branch. I think so on a Julia Debrand Sum no munye pram for brain him said BRYAN ACHEAMPONG at a point on a oparians and easy crowd sum. No be so this suma kunya na antentam eno de kwa betifi oni afia kotomu ko prayer na obedi MP o tina na me hwa me list ni ma say Ken ayiniti Baumia ayiniti Dr. Aduchu Mate nana Patrick Buama Mate nana Mate tinso say napo nana ebi oba be ni own man
Eugene
oh nana me signals am etete no
Eugene
nana the next one so amate ne BRYAN ACHEAMPONG nana so mate honorable Kennedy Japan
yes.
Mate Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Dr. Aduchum
yes.
Patrick Buama Dr. BRYAN ACHEAMPONG okay. And Dr. Mati Opoku Prempe former member of parliament menshia South nana mate say so obabia nya na enti ameka sa ne say
right
this week mitie Honorable Kwamna Japan no Hello FM.
Yeah.
Na no can say as a MPP apre bi koso. Na omake ya de bi amaka ne dada. Kejeti ahye no. Na donation no mo ye no. Na strange. And donation no mo ye no e give a view about how the MPP party is. A son give you a view about how MPP parliamentary race be kon na dey na make na journalists sometimes in law obi ku obi a second Japan di okoto so ku obi a meda wato no banana watrete no send message bi wona na ya akasakasa bu adwuma pamanfo no law e kind of circumstantial evidence na dey na make sa nipa na one ba mi akwa
akon me ba J.E. Jackson so one ye careful social media so e be block you ompo obi asema you cannot insult anybody obi eni ho ye criminal obi ambewi awade nti mutiti Facebook akira na mo tro de mo pe no pacho block no e free so onye discipliner please delete that message
na no omumu bia nso yo da Facebook ni busuani anka ope o nti no na na sa na tie na donation no the party MPP they want mo go by it na come let Japan confirm hello no na say ne tie Dr. Mahmoud Bamia be ni donation ko
right
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe be ni donation ko MPP party na nkasa led by Justin Kodiafin for be ni donation ko owie no parliament led by Fanyama King be ni donation ko Patrick Buama be ni donation ko Educhum be ni donation ko BRYAN ACHEAMPONG be ni donation ko no kra do ka se edwa no so tumfo ma no kwanya obesi ama wo na all kasa no and also draw the link between the Kwawu route and the Ashanti route. Catch from the catering guest house na muhun media. Na mi besi ni se na mi see Rock City ma Kwawu fo no.
So for offense so.
Yes nana. Patrick Buama so ba no catch them say me di MP Accra de ba me free jaben. It's an answer. The donation during the market fire no. Ebe the grounds for us to see the men that will contest MPP race no.
Likely to contest.
Likely. Nana omu nyina wo mo strength Kennedy nyina enim no me kasa anenye nana de ba kwa manfo de bebremu no say ne kasa no nana so ya SWOT analysis you need to be frank as a business sense e be say nana yo the Kingsley model pestel ne ade SWOT analysis the Kennedy nana ni issue so say ne kasa anye o kasa basa na kuma so ha no na no say can be ken sa no tie so Donald Trump onu anya afi no be na bia we fucking man no aka kire wo no kon ba bi say sa no tie nti omunya no banana ne strength ne so you resourceful and my cat was na akwa elections na na nze this from check Julius Zebra no bo no nkasa na no nya Julius Zebra o ko teli adedadedade one BRYAN ACHEAMPONG or you're resourceful. And I try to end this and say, oh, sa grassroots appeal. No, a phone for a penasum. When my cat was a cratch for no crack or two, you know, the second. The trouse a phone more phone, uncrass for MPP phone crass for pa. Many cats were crassing, but some more in Crunketum. It is ever be a me from Crew Messumo. Canadian come on penasum. Homogenes on no more Belmuco position leader or come as a mawum. Banana banus were the home. Bombs were the who are the bois form more phone or coffum or boawum were be a numa Ghana for nye biye attribute among for canon banana otimi we cons our perception no outside the MPP say ne kasa anye omu ade ne ade na ebeboa na as for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de nyire enim I think say me to me yeah to abani say he will win because nana osha the war chest our building the finances no enya mo ba kojo Friday me kodi nkomo bi baby na me ni kumase nana third time amata sa asem ni obi abetime akọ YouTube no abo ata Kennedy Baumia nana matete se one sha President Akufo-Addo obeyi ne support Jeffrey Baumia ho.
Oh, say be Akufo-Addo support.
That's what I'm hearing. Because nana ne matete in the grave and say it's a BRYAN champion John Jinapo ticket.
Okay.
Matete. And nana quotes are made free no. A curious kakra.
Okay.
Banana, what show more bani nyina mama Baumia there at least what could be that experience in there and no the first time wakwa worry.
Yeah.
Now the only president in Ghana about first time we win John Dramani Mama 2012.
Right.
And you can even agree that the 2012 because of the mood of the nation then.
Right.
And no the win here.
Right.
Edubuahe and tentam Rollins they don't even gas what conference no military do continue. Kofo and tentam.
Yeah.
Males and tentam. Akufo-Addo crowd we me and sound news in ari mienu.
Right.
Omu wi mienu no me say ye. Enti onya first time wa win ye. Banana Baumia me penasam.
Yeah.
I like him. Banana me so me dwen say Baumia issue ni say kofo bi e wo ne ho no. Eno ono an kasa dodo bi o kasa especially about the economy na amoa no.
Right.
I like him as a man.
Yeah.
Banana the state of the economy the mi gina ba bi ameka wa anya de.
Right.
En kodo me dwen so that one Baumia na be na busa na obeka che wa anya de. Banana ne niam bi nso wo ye na boa. You cannot discuss the current strength of the city without the gold policy or the buy no. Etinana eno nso no aboa oman ne kwan bi so. Banana when you analyze BRYAN champion nana ka say menya BRYAN analysis no. Me yensa me tro nyema bi atoa nam say nana unse me me course ye strategic management. Ti SWOT no nyema na me tro no BRYAN champion ba ko ye knowledgeable. Nana say or information systems doctorate we enya ne betua 5,000 ne enfem we PhD holder nkasa. Nana say actually banks e Ghana most of my systems so is BRYAN there
because no be busa say oye de adwuma ne so wo sika no. Eugene acquire research. I saw you hold it.
What's your banking systems now? Insurance companies, the banks use now. Don't know BRYAN champion there. Yes, even in West Africa, like Libya, Liberia, Nigeria, most of the systems in India.
There's a bank in your man.
You see, BRYAN is like Julius. Me, I know him the dad as whom because me go for that 20 years.
Yeah.
On Kasa. Nana President Akufo-Addo most of ne itinerary convoy ne helicopter nya BRYAN champion there.
Yeah.
Yes, but on Kasa.
The helicopter ya to be an Akufo-Addo tinem no.
Yeah, nana dia.
Ne dia.
But we say dwuma ya nti privilege information bi na bit banks in the system no be ne dia.
Yeah.
And again, o share ne Rock City na wo ye na mo. Rock City ne dia o. O hotels across the country but Rock City na popular. O ko no the regional hotels. O go Kumasi hotel. Na in fact ne hotel no Rock City no oka Kumasi top hotels in Abuma or base space sin yes.
Yeah.
Kumasi Golden Bean, Lancaster, formerly Golden Bean top hotels. O kan nya base space boma Lameta. Ni nyina aka boma Rock City beat no. Enti o business acumen na no e ko uni was a Julius Zebra.
Yeah.
Na Julius be kan business interest we be one. Omunya was sad na ye ana na omunya so pe hotel to
for the business people ankasa
na so omunya so pe hotel hoteliers omu pe sa hotel bi say woska na again another thing about him so established
BRYAN champion
untimi nkasa politics na mo ye
okay
untimi na nothing can say Julius Zebra politics no di ye established o ni sika established as a strength because then I see in our politics if you owe a lot of financial debt sometimes you take decisions that doesn't make sense. But na de ka. Enti you just say to abu a ma koto ka enti no. Unim say dwuma mintimi nyo oso am kokobo CEO.
Right.
Mintimi nya dwuma no. But because you owe me debt na strength owo. And again na de ba ko so manhunu so starting it no. Mahun krofa bi a head out to no as one more Baumia camp or more the me co school and in fact I'm told so quite motor school and crying to do one lesson down no school
over 70 of them
banana on can it I think say no say bia nana ni weakness back no
on can
the free strength no ni weakness back no onya nkrofo mutimi ton mo ho
okay
nana duchum de ani bi no Ontimi ton who ye. But another Kennedy no kind of Becca Massa. Don't be foolish. My say
Obeka.
But Brent Minka. It's a weakness also because an episode the president. Ontimi nya die sumase. ese ni obi ye bia no twamfoni kakra to na Ghana for because na the voting demography no wide obi ane no de beto aba because Brian what na ochi obi school fees meto ma no because me wo fa si benya dwuma okwu meto ma no because Brian tie yes wo kasa ba ne dimi na ne ho fewu na onim say in fact there's a Richard that shows the way president na ho fa university campus as ye tatuma pa na hini an say as benya na nimu
Debi
unten omo ne tie organizers
na ye mature student cry ye mfa
na dey study won so wa ye won tada anya fe no organizers dey dey ko e formal man wo be so nkunwa ba na fanboys na dodo na ye SRC president
ontimi nya adwuma we fine
na oba nso wonye fa SRC secretary leader nzanete ete na ni nyina ye factor e se wo ye na ade ba ko so me hu ni say the Eastern region vote no 2024 MPP anyade and an Eastern region there make us say bia adom boku for do so boy akra kuma sa nyinam kosi nkoko na manye no ba na Eastern region akwan ye me papa free sagima ase na nse me call Christmas go sra me na kwan no edaso kama wo ye kofodu ade e free bunsu ekokofodu nyina omaye portos bi na wo kakra bunsu go no makosi wo kakra no maye so Nana Brian has all these attributes Nana medwin say won wini. That is my honest view.
Yeah.
Medwin say on wini ba na medwin say obamu nso ebeboa no.
All right.
For subsequent elections. That's and even a potential running mate because yan kan who say MPP history na koye South North ticket and it's akoye North me medwin so mo to da ba me abewini. Na medwin so mo biemu a obewini de ba gabo ne nye kese ese ne oye the last time no.
Right.
Because na no mo biemu a fonfon ne dudu na betimi awuram. Omu remember delegator omu na Kennedy omu ne wo lie bi omu ne wo covenant before mo for na che enti ba me be wini de ba me dwen say bi a potential
oka so wini e be ha adwen obi be twistle e betumi awini
na I stand by so be wini
no ba me betumi awini
na that's a prediction but for me
ba me betumi awini
for now
people can twist us
for now let me use your superior argument
at the right time no you be predict it but for now no ba me based on see ne de ba me betumi awini
na no be because how Brian become research match me say Ghana ha systems on the banking and network na ko bankers ya te ko de do na ne dia o PhD information systems on the US military adwuma da o ye hotelia just obi o hotels businesses any ade na o other businesses wo ya ebi ekodu ba bi no no a de babontia because na woni mo bi asabio ne meka cho nya no nso ma ye privilege information researcher na ya janto de fu ya yuji ko ye bra na be keka kire me e na makoya me be keka kire no be nya na metimi atugo na ebu e private matter kaka mutimi nka chem say
mutimi nka ni nyina
na natimi nka say dutu me politics onye iska ade so onim no so onim adutu ma no agugu adutu ma Atlanta school so abo brada daada na meka say ya politics no de bia meka say we umpo bia sama is allowed ebia mpena na janto de we journalist ampa bad because na janto ehia ni eno na enkwasa asam na akeka no umpena sam mi unyose to meti umpema asam ya normal ma zi me come say politician mi na talk ama me let's separate the issue umpema asam ya normal banana these are men and this is what I know about him me dream say bia ba me lead this sia banana bia he may be considered for the running mate slot because running mate need the omu retaining apa me I'll be very surprised
Napo no obey so obeje
and make us that to me if they repeat him I will be very surprised because then I believe that contribution me to me from Bia Metino how I expected the campaign to go from a side and man who sa
right
and there be a wunya will be a free Eastern regional which is also a southern Ghana maybe it can help
right
so that will be my analysis for now
right
that doesn't qualify a projecting stop using no, I don't know where Saoka, but Nana, it's all part of it.
Yeah. It's
Obi president, every single part in the business of it's part of it.
Yeah.
Because I make a demography in the doors. Will be understand. Obejina Eddie Atuamano.
Me say Brian ACHEAMPONG. Ewo sika. Minfro na make a usika chen kene Japan.
And untin ye important.
Minfro na make a Brian ACHEAMPONG usika chen kene Japan. But you see,
if you look at
Brian ACHEAMPONG usika chen, but Brian in kasa.
Sure.
And I can so.
Na weakness.
Say Brian is say kasa te say and then I may say the say Brian Echo to say the can ye be a ebe who am a ken.
Nana unim say
telling you.
Nana unim say ode tie before no crazy before no mo inside them we say we kasa o mo say omo mo bo ken na chiso kasa do no mo ka Julius Zebra and I've heard many people say to be a single-handedly he made Mahama comfortable when it comes finances and leading to the elections. Now, Julius Zebra wants to Casada. And how many times comes Julius Zebra interview? So there are people I think say for neighbor who attribute to know. I Sano Mutie. But I think say na pursue the president so sense I don't know.
Obesa say why na dey so bad obesa.
Now in fact, who say in the next year so many airport.
Yeah.
The biggest runway we have in the world, 5 kilometers.
Okay. Ochina near can one some this
right now I'm in far way from my way insurance
quickly now for
MTN so *165# on MTN. Now they are